A federal judge has ruled that President Donald Trump's executive order to end birthright citizenship is blatantly unconstitutional and issued a temporary restraining order to block the policy from taking effect. Judge John, who's a Ronald Reagan appointee based in Seattle, granted an emergency request from Washington State Attorney General Nick Brown and 3 other Democratic-led states to halt the executive order for the next 14 days, while the legal challenge continues. Notably, the Democratic-led states are seeking a temporary restraining order as they argue that Trump's executive order is a blatant violation of the Constitution's 14th Amendment, which guarantees citizenship to all children born on the U.S. soil and subject to the jurisdiction thereof. Lane Polozzolo, who's an attorney representing the state of Washington, told the judge that births cannot be paused while the court reviews the case. He warned that children who are denied citizenship under Trump's executive order would face long-term substantial negative impacts. Polozzolo further argued that the Trump administration had not only ignored these potential harms in its filings, but that the harm appears to be the purpose of the order itself. In addition to the impact on individuals, Washington and other states argue that ending birthright citizenship would place a financial and logistical burden on state programs, as these children would no longer be eligible for federal benefits that they would typically receive as U.S. citizens. In defense, the Trump administration argues that the clause subject to the jurisdiction thereof allows the president to exclude children of undocumented migrants as well as children of parents who are legally present but lack permanent status. Justice Department Attorney Brett Shumate urged the judge to hold off on issuing an emergency order blocking the policy until there was more briefing on the policy. Shumate noted that the other cases challenging the executive order were moving on a slower timeline and argued that imminent harm was threatening the states.